Hey, it's Sammy. On Thursday, July 17th, we're going to talk about our secret weapon, the optimizer, here today. We were done trading right about 9:40 a.m. this morning for $4,425. That's 6 trades for 177 points. Pay attention as we walk through these trades and how you can do the exact same using the optimizer. This is a breakout trade. You can see the market was consolidated, but notice we have an alignment of momentum, sentiment, and volatility breaks. We are actually not trying to throttle the market because it's pre-market hours. So as we hit this yellow line down here towards the overnight low, that's deviation 2. We're going to do a quick trailing stop and lock in 20 points. We are still trading pre-market. Look to the left. Notice how we bounced off of that deviation 2 and all the data flipped over. Now we are reading our way into long data to take this long trade. Now the reason this all flipped over was because of red news at 8:30. That brought all of the data into alignment the other way. We're now heading up towards value area high and that green deviation line 1. I got a little checkpoint noted up there, so let's see here. We're going to trail and lock in 30 points. All right, notice now we're hitting that checkpoint and our data is growing more. So we're going to punch through this checkpoint. We're going to go ahead, try and head up there to that overnight high. Let's see how this trade turns out. Now, spoiler alert, this trade actually would have went all the way up to that overnight high, yesterday's high, but we're going to smash this thing close as we hit deviation 2 and yesterday's close. That's a critical area for 23 points. Hey friends, this is all about reading data. Notice now what we have going on is our signature soda reversal off the high of day, the overnight high. We're reversing and we're heading back down towards that deviation and that value area high. Spoiler alert, it actually does hit the value area high for a retest, but we're going to go ahead and just lock in 31 points on this trade as we hit this 200 moving average. Now, I want to show you, we know and understand the market is actually longing. If we look over to the left, see that tremendous move. The market's going to come down and find value at this pink line, which is VWAP at the open. Okay, I wasn't quick enough to take that trade. That's okay. I missed that trade. I'm going to wait and read my way into the next trade, which is this long, once this reverses off of the value area, and we're going to smash through and hit our take profit. It just flies up 46 points. Look at all the data flip over. Now, I have excessive momentum. I've just tapped my quadratic kernel, so I know that's the regression I'm looking for. This trade, I ended up trailing for 28 points as I hit that 123.6 fib extension. However, a lot of our traders in our program stayed in this all the way up to R1, that big red line. One of our traders, Patrick, actually got 86 points out of this trade. Just tremendous. Look at the momentum, sentiment. That is how we read our way in and out of markets. The optimizer is designed to give you that confirmation point. This is market generated data functioning in a real-time environment. There's no lag and there's no repainting. This is a factual reference point which lets you trade with logic instead of emotion. If you're trading with emotion, you're guessing and gambling, and that has to stop if you want to hit your goals. Let's get together on a quick call, hit that link below, and let's see if this is even right for you.